What is up, everybody? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Hopefully this week I could be more consistent with my videos. But anyways, in today's video, I'm giving my dude a mid fade. So as you can see, I'm using the FX trimmers and I'm putting in that bald line straight across. Here I use the box shaver and I ball them out. Here I start my fading process. So my first step is to grab my lever all the way open, and I'm going up about, I'd say it's pretty close to an inch. I'm keeping that same shape and I'm keeping it parallel to that bottom line. Here to help me fade out that bottom line, I grab my trimmers and I just bump up that bottom line, bringing it up like not even a half an inch, like barely bringing it up, just so it's easier to fade out. Here I have the lever halfway and I'm just flicking out at that bottom line. This is not going to remove it, just going to help me soften it up so it's easier to take out in the next step. As you guys can see, I'm taking it like by steps. I'm only doing half of the head here, and then as you can see, I'll go back to the part that I already softened up and I'll close the lever all the way and use my corners to try to flick out that bottom line. I'll also have to move the lever up and down. I'm just going to be playing with the lever, doing whatever it takes to get rid of that line. Now that that side's faded out, I move to the other side and do the same steps.
Start.
My next step here is to grab my number 1 guard open and I go up another half an inch to an inch, keeping it consistent and just keeping it nice and neat. Here I close the lever on that 1 guard and I'm hitting that bottom line that I just created. Keep in mind that this is not going to get rid of it. This is only going to soften it up and make it easier to take out in the next step. Here, to completely blend out that line, I put the half guard on closed and I'm flicking out using only my corners of the blade.
Start.
So that half guard didn't get rid of that line like I wanted it to, so I went back with my lever all the way open and I'm just using my corners to try to blend out that line, and that should do the trick. Here I have the 2 closed and I'm going up a full inch this time, keeping it consistent around the whole head. So here I have a little process that I like to do. I have the 1.5 guard halfway and I'm hitting that line and I'm seeing how it reacts. If it's blending in good, then obviously I'll keep it, but most of the time I'll have to close the lever and then I'll use the corners to try to blend it in. But I always start with the 1.5 guard open and close it as needed.
Start.
So as you guys can see, that 1.5 guard did a pretty good job of blending out that line, but I still see some spots where I need to go over with some detail work. So I put the 1 guard on and I'm playing with the lever. I have it open, closed as needed. And I'm just using the corners as much as possible to blend out those specific spots. Here I have the 2 guard and it's open this time, and I'm flicking up at that top bulk remaining. I'll then go back with the 1.5 guard to blend out any spots that I still see. So now that the fade is pretty much complete, I go back and make sure I detail my work. Here I have the 1/2 guard on, but I also go back with the lever all the way open. Also with the 1 guard, I just do basically all the steps I did again, but just make sure detail, use as much corners as possible, and that'll really bring out your fades, guys. So as you guys can see here, I'm just brushing down his little baby hairs to get him ready to get lined up. So yeah guys, it's pretty much the cut. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.